Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will walk you through how to customize the design of your website chatbot so it perfectly match your website. So let's get started. First, log in into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, go to the bot section on the left hand side and choose the bot that you want to customize. After selecting the bot, please navigate to chatbot design option. Here you will find multiple customization settings. You can start by changing the bot name, and you can also edit the call to action text from here. You will now see an option to auto hide the call to action button. If you enable this, you will get an option to put how many seconds you want to disable your call to action button. If you enable it, you can specify the number of seconds after which the chatbot will appear on your website. Next, under the more section, you can choose the position of your CTA chat bubble, left or top, add multiple CTA messages, customize the chat bubble background and the text color. Once done, simply click on save changes. Now move to the theme section where you will get the styling window option that you can choose. Next, we have an option to upload or change the bot icon. Customize the theme. You can also customize the theme color of your bot. You can even change the background color of your bot. Now you can also select the font for your chatbot, and if you want to upload any own custom font, you can upload it from here. And next we have the option of chat icon position. You can decide from here. And next you will get an advanced option to have the CSS, custom CSS and launcher CSS that you can add here. Once done, simply click on save changes. Finally, go to the layout section or layout settings. Here you can configure chatbot position on desktop and mobile, and also you can change or set the window size from small to double XL, or you can also customize the size of your chatbot from here. And once you are done, you can simply click on save changes. Once you click on the save changes, all the changes that you have done over here will reflect on your website as per your configuration here. So that's it, how you can change or edit the design of your website chatbot. That's all about in this video. In case if you have any doubt, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Have a great day.